this person did this, that to me, and like your friends, obviously they're gonna be on your side.
Situationships, people have that all the time.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Word with Nell. My name is Nelson, and today's video is all about the recaps of 2024. It's a short one, all right? I make it short. It's very short, and I want you guys to watch till the end. Like the video, comment down what you guys think, and please share. If any of the clips is relatable to any of your friend, your family member, please share it with them, all right? So that's it. Let's dive to the video.
Kung sepi ladaki dan bakada kidan samla ladaki dan samla ide banyak tu ya pi hayang ne kem de banyak tu ide banyak tu nama balik ide banyak tu ya pi
da ya tu pa long ta ngiyok pen so tu fi ki khon
kadai
baga hakano kadur kinya hakano kadur long kin long sin ba ki lai ya pa kumta don par ki bang tip ki kur ki ja ki bayi yang bahasam da ki ya tu pa ngitip pi yo sneng yo khaw ya kren ki
kadai
ti wangi la kham dong ba na kham so tu fi itu bagi din kena ta pat tip ye long da le e ru la long ba shukunduk lumar te tengi pada ki tu pa yangi ki pa pangila pada batai kin bakunta bolong kumta udah syukur ne udah si bayi yang badan kam ne badan kam unta patkin ila ya seneng ila khara pat kisah.
Do you guys think in this generation relationship is becoming difficult?
Yeah, I feel like relationships nowadays they're like people are making it overcomplicated. I feel in order for you to love the other person, you have to bring you value. They have like like unrealistic expectations from the partner, and like that actually most people actually like lack communication. You see,
That's true.
Situationships, people have that all the time.
Okay.
You're more than friends, but you can't remain friends. You're friends with benefits, but then you can't have that commitment with that person. You can't commit to one person. So yeah.
Nak samlam ta te ngapik pateng iki kimik pali kimik kendor yele ka doman makise kimte pat la shada la sham jinjar pat hak tu kimik pai pat kiwan biang pat dan natara sha bakin le ish kenda ki tu kimik pa shken ki tanan ni no de tu kimik pa kin ong i ho tamba sisim baki ong oi pat kemun kila sutu kin ka balong kum no fi nam ta jing bha ki ho ni kimik pa pat kalong ne ki khun ki tipsngi kemung lasuk mengi da ki khun pa ki daka ni jinjar pat mengi kin jinjar ti ki khun jinjar pat mengi kadang kata fi
Apa be
nak mentah pakin soto te ya kata dah ong ban tu bom dan kam bom dan jan one tu de kum tam ta ki ong ban ni kimik ba bisni tiga kimik kam stomat yang banyak uta mangi kimik pala non noi ki khun ni
kabe nam ta jing bha tu ko
na nam ta ki jing ko ki khun ni impa ra bakin sini nimpo are baki khun kin sem jinjar ne ade kata
jing bha ni
mun sini ni ki pai di ki khun ni te ni ko abe kin sem bha ba te mat te ka kami ba kum no ni ki khun ki khu ku da hi bakin sem suk sam sai
I think like now in this generation love is becoming toxic.
Yes, it is becoming toxic because most people in this generation, when we talk about love, mostly they think it's only about like a one night stand or just like being friends with benefits. But if we go back to like in old times, there was like so much more to love than just a one night stand.
That's
So
right. So what makes love toxic nowadays?
I think it's the generation, like the new thinking of the Gen Z, they would think like love is just like maybe physical according to them. Of course, like there's people who still want love to be pure and like truly marriage with one person, but then again it's like mostly the effect of social media as well. They portray love in like many different ways. So social media is very, very much not true, and sometimes what we see on social media, even if it seems like a perfect couple, they may be very toxic. And once something they show about like toxic side also can be, they have their sweet side, but also the impact on social media, even like small kids also, they're on social media. So I would think it really impacts.
Expectation from how I think, not only just in love, even if you're in a career, even if you're in your family also, even if you're in your like studies also, don't expect just there is one saying in Hindu line, okay, karam karo phal ki chinta mat karo by Krishna, okay. So do your work, like whatever will happen, it will gonna happen. You can't change it and you don't even know it. You just do what you love.
Do your best.
Do your best. At least you will not regret it ki at least maine kiya nahi tha.
I think so girls tend to tend to have relationship with a toxic man a lot, or do you think so they prefer gentlemen?
Actually, they do prefer gentlemen, but then they always end up choosing a toxic one.
Toxic one. What about you? Do you think
It's like this. Some people looking for love,
okay.
but they looking for love in the wrong place. That is why. So it's like people love a person in the wrong time, but when the right person comes, they didn't love that.
Oh,
But they didn't know. They didn't know. That's why we have to try.
So true. So true.
Because they have to try, no? Because like people don't afraid of love. They're afraid of broken heart. So that's why they should not be afraid to love, because love is good, love is kind, love is patient and everything. So they should not be afraid to love, even if they broken heart. Because if people truly love someone, if someone love like if I truly love someone, I should be willing to do everything for them, even if it means to let them go, even if it hurts. Because if love is real, they will come back.
So will you accept your ex if she comes back?
Like I have to look for her behavior first. We have to see first. Maybe she's changed, totally changed. Because I don't care about, like people say that she has slept with others, she has slept with that man, with that guy. For me, the people make mistakes, okay?
Yeah, that's true.
Because I don't care about the body. I care about her inside, like the soul, behavior. If she has changed, then the body stays the body. It's okay.
So do you agree with him?
Obviously, yeah.
I think having faith in God really influenced relationship to make it more stronger or healthy.
Exactly. Because see, like you and your partner can get into fights, right?
Yeah.
So, but if you guys fight, what do? You first go to your friends and tell about it. You be like, like, oh, this person did that to me, and like your friends, obviously they're gonna be on your side.
Okay.
They're gonna like have your back, and like in the end, like, even if you guys work things out again, your friends are gonna still have that same perspective of you, and what you brought to them. But then, if you have a good relationship with God, like you could just turn to God every time you guys have a fight, and God will actually make the other person understand as well. Like if both of you like have the same, like equally yoked, the other person also will pray, you also will pray, and eventually you both will be more Christ-like. You see, like you'll want to like forgive. And if you see God, the right person God will send you there.
That's good.